Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another rain drive, so stay tuned. Let's have some fun in the rain. And it's a passage of tropical storm Elsa, and it's a rain drive, so you guys stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so it's Sunday, approximately 10 a.m. Looking like 6 p.m. and we have missed our Hurricane Elsa missed Jamaica. It was downgraded to a tropical storm and we missed the direct passage of the hurricane, so that's really good. But first of all, and again, today is July 4th, so all those in America, because I'm going to upload this video right now, Sunday, July 4th. So all those abroad, you know, happy independence. I know today is July 4th. Lots of firework, lots of jerky. Leave some of the food for me. You know, send some pictures to my Instagram what you prepared today. It's Raymore Reviews-Jamaica. So happy independence for everyone in America. If you're new to the channel, subscribing is completely free. Subscribe, join the family, so you can always see videos like this. Remember to go over to my Instagram, as I just said. Lots of water on the road, guys. Raymore Reviews-Jamaica, and subscribe to my Instagram. Remember to like and leave a comment, you know, about this hurricane or this tropical storm. You know, sometimes a hurricane is coming, you have persons that are excited and say, yes, some rain, tired of the sun. But I think that, you know, once a hurricane is on past to Jamaica, it's something very bad. So the amount of flooding that comes, the amount of destruction to properties, to road, to everything, you know, that's really not good. So while persons say, yeah man, hurricane will come, I don't think you're thinking about the damage, you know, especially the loss of life. Because I think in one of the Caribbean islands that the hurricane already passed, there's at least one death in a Caribbean island so far. So we know we missed the direct passage, but right now we're getting some of the rain, not much wind, but some of the rain from the hurricane. So we have to be grateful. So many times we missed the hurricanes on so many occasions, so we have to be grateful. So I'm right here on Red Hills Road. We started out at Price Right Community, we passed Price Mart, we're passing Central Church Primary now. So just wanted to show you guys what's happening outside, because I know both locally and abroad most persons are inside. I guess some business places may not even open today or have much reduced employees because of the weather. I guess if the hurricane came, you know, it will be closed for sure. But places are open that would have been open on a Sunday. But you know, like a Price Mart that's always full, I'm sure over there is empty today. I guess today is the best time to go shopping. Alright guys, so let me know what you think about the video. And we know Jamaica have a drainage problem for sure. You know, once there is heavy rain, the road turns into a river. So that's something that over time needs to be fixed permanently. You know, places like New Kingston, you'd have think they have proper drainage, but once it rains, you have some streets that pedestrians cannot cross. But again, just highlighting the rain from tropical storm Elsa. I know some persons, so even right here, so the car has to come over on my side because in his lane is completely full of water. And you know, some of these newer model cars are so easy to shut off. One thing I can say, this car that I have, it has never failed me in the rain, so that's really good. So I know some persons love a rain drive, so that's the next reason to be doing this. It's a rain drive. I guess we can put in the title, you know, Elsa, Tropical Storm Elsa Rain Drive. So we're just driving onto the boulevard. And again, just showing you guys what's happening in Jamaica. And also an early morning rain drive. Again guys, like the video if you haven't done so. Just go in the comments, put a comment if you haven't done so. Persons on the rubbish truck still working in the rain. I'm always grateful for them because not everybody will do their job, but their job is so important. Alright, so we just passed Lee's Food Fair on the left, right here on Red Hills Road. Again, lots of water, and if a vehicle was in front of me, you guys would have seen better. We're in the vicinity of Calabar High School. If any person that used to attend Calabar is watching, just give us a thumbs up. Put Calabar in the comments. Alright, so right here, good amount of water, guys, on both sides. So I'm trying to drive in the middle once I can, because I don't want to jinx my car and it gets shuts off. Guys, so I know some places have and is experiencing a lot worse water than we're experiencing. So I know in some areas the water is a lot worse, but again, just wanted to highlight the road for you guys, what's happening on the road. And again guys, remember to comment, like, share and subscribe. So we're in the Dunrobin area. We're at the stoplight for Dunrobin and Kingston Spring Road. So enjoy the rest of the day. Stay safe. Stay inside for those who are in Jamaica. Those in the US, enjoy your Independence Day. And those in other parts of the world, let me know in the comments what the weather is like in your area, in your country. Thanks for watching, guys.